Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It's Spanky and I want to share with you a new project that I've been working on, and this will be available for sale in the auction. I am also going to be doing purchases. If you would like to purchase one in a specific color or theme, let me know. I will be doing custom orders. So this is a Toolcraft Caddy, so you can stick your tools in there and take it on the go. You can fit silicone brushes, paint brushes, scissors, palette knives, pencils, pens, colored pencils, you name it, it can go in here. I will be doing custom sizes for specific items, like one just for paintbrushes, one just for colored pencils, and so forth, and I'm also making one for gelatos. As you can see, I'm shoving in 3 different size scissors here. It holds pretty well, it's pretty sturdy. Each section of the pockets has a back stitch across the top to help keep it secure. Some of the things you can put more than one in each pocket, and as you can see, I have several pockets left. The flap comes down and you just simply turn it and roll it up, and once you get to the end of the roll, just wrap your ribbon around it and tie. If you shake it, nothing will fall out. If you drop it, nothing's going to fall out. If you're worried about something on the edge falling out, you can slide it in further. My scissors become a little loose here, but they didn't fall out. But overall, I am pleased with how it turned out, and I can't wait to make more. It is top stitched all the way around. You can machine wash it. Hang to dry, I would personally. But yeah, it turned out so amazing. I can't wait to make more. And basically, you can take it on the go. You can store it on your cart, your caddy cart. You can take it to craft hops with you. Yeah, scrapbook expos, whatever. Wherever you want to go, you can take it with you. So it's easy to roll up. It's nice and secure, and you won't lose your little pencils in your bag no more. Or your scissors, and you can have several. You can keep scissors in one, your paintbrushes in one, your pencils in one, your pens in one. So yeah, if you're interested in this, just message me at spankiescraftycorner at gmail.com, and others will be available for sale during the auction on April 6th. Stay tuned for that. More info will be posted on that. So until the next time, I will catch you guys later. Bye.